So hello friends, in this video now we will create a post because in the last video, in the previous video, we created categories. So in all posts you can see there is no post because we have deleted that dummy content hello world. We can add new from here, or even from here. Now when we create a new post, you can see something like this. It will come. So welcome to the wonderful world of blogs. Click the plus add button, blog button, to add a new blog. There are blogs available for all kinds of content. You can insert text, headings, images, list, and lots more. So add title. Now here you will add the title, for example. Now you remember we created 5 categories and 1 subcategory. So in categories you can see all categories appearing here. One category uncategorized is also appearing here. If we will not assign any category to this post, so this post will go to the uncategorized. Right now, for example, we are going to write something related to news. So I will select news category. You can see in my home page there is no category showing and no post. So the title is like why news is very important for you. So start writing or type or choose a block. So here you can, like, if you click on add block, there are different things like paragraph, image, heading, gallery, list, quote, audio, cover, file. These things you can add, or you can simply write here. And if you want to add like heading, so add heading. You can select H2, H3, H4. For example, news importance. Okay, and this is H2. We can select H3 as well, or H4 as well. So I will select like H2. And then here you can see we can add again blocks, okay, or simply we can write. So I will like use paragraph, and here you can see I will open lipsum.net. So I will use some dummy content instead of writing because it will take time. So whenever you will write, obviously you will write your own content. I will use this copyright free like lorem ipsum content. So this one, and here we will paste. So you can see there are 2 paragraphs, see, because I copied 2 paragraphs. You can see like this. Okay, if you click here you can move up. If you click move down, that will move down. Okay, and if you click here, so you can like create, duplicate, insert before, like insert after, edit as HTML, or you can even remove the block. Control Z you can use, it will come back. So here you can see, for example, insert before. So here we can now insert an image, for example, if we want. So drag an image, upload a new one, or select a file from your library. So we can upload, like I have in my desktop website images, so news images there. Like I will use this image, and you can see the images here. And we can write caption, or if we don't want, we can also like change the width and height of the image like this. If you click here, it will be like transform to cover, so it will cover. See, like this also you can use this image. So as you wish, according to the device, it will cover. Now paragraph, for example, if you select this paragraph, you can make like alignment center, right, or left. Left is default. Any text if you want like bold, you can select and it will be bold. Any text if you want like italic, you can make it italic. And like here, for example, for more information please visit learn easy code. So here you can see, if you select this text and click here, so you can link with your web page like this. So it is link. If you want to add it, you can add it and apply from here. Okay, and if you click here, you can select open in new tab. So if user will click, this will open in the new tab. So this is like this. Okay, if you want to write title for this, you can write. Okay, and if you click here, you can remove block. And here also, for example, this one, okay. Now the next thing, for example, insert after. So you can see now, after this we can add paragraph, image, cover, we did heading, we did list. For example, if you want to add, so you can add list, for example, here, like, you know, 1 2, it depends, like whatever the content you have, you can add. And after that, again, if you click here, insert after, you can add one more thing, like for example, common blocks, these are also same something, you can say. And formatting, you can say, like code, pre-formatted, these things, you know, custom HTML, table if you want to add. So if you want to add table, for example, you can click on table, and here you can see, like for example, see column count, see 2 and 2, for example 5, and row also 5 you want, then click create. See, so here now you can click here, add row, add after, these things you can do. Or for example, now name, like designation, and gender, city and country. So for example, I've got computer teacher, male, city Faisal, Abad, country Pakistan. So again, if you want to add something, like click here. Okay, now for example, we have used these. So in most use, you can see like the things we have used will come here. And embeds, like you can see there are different things now we can add. For example, you know, like embed Twitter, YouTube, WordPress, Instagram, Facebook, SoundCloud, lots of things there are which we can add. So for example, if we want to add a YouTube video, we will click on YouTube, enter URL to embed here. So we have a URL, for example this one, and just click embed. You can see it is there, design t-shirt in Illustrator and upload in merch by Amazon. This is one of my videos. So you can see like this, I have added few blocks here in this, and then we added like paragraph, we changed bold, italic, and then we added this image, cover image. Then we added something like this. If you want to write something like news is important, and here you can see like paragraph. Then we added like this link, we added list, we added the table, and also we added the YouTube video. Category we have defined like this. And then if we want to publish, so we can publish now. There are lots of more things in this post that we will discuss one by one. Right now I will click on publish, visibility public, publish immediately. One more thing before this, like here you can see featured image. So let me show you after publish. So it has been published now. If you refresh the home page, you can see why news is very important for you. The post is here, and if you click here, So this is the post link, and you can see why news is very important for you. This is the post title, this is the heading which we use. Then paragraph, you can see bold text, and here you can see italic text, and here you can see news image, covered image. This is paragraph, this is link, and this is list, and this is table, and this is the video which we added. So for example, now if we click here, and here you can see featured image and set featured image. So we can select from the media library, because we have uploaded yet only one image. So in media library only one image is showing. So what we can do, like upload files, select files, and news featured image. I will select this image, and then click on description, right, like news image, and click on select. Now update this post, and if you refresh at home page, you can see featured image will appear like this with the article, with the post. So in this video, like we have done about the post section, lots of things, and for example like this, and in the next video we'll show you some more like elements which are remaining here in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video.